Welcome to the COSMETIC Factory universe. It is the cloud service solution that supports you throughout the development of your cosmetic products. From marketing brief through formulation and compliance to international marketing. Let's dive into our formulation model together. You can start creating your formula from scratch or from a pre-registered base. It's handy for updating a formula or creating a variation of an existing product. Add a raw material to your formula, just drag and drop it. You make your choice from a database of several tens of thousands of raw materials integrated into COSMETIC Factory, a database that you can also enrich directly. You filter the raw materials according to your needs by function, naturalness, budget. Several raw materials match your criteria? No problem. You can compare them in one click. Does your formula comply with the regulations of your target markets, your blacklists? Our artificial intelligence formula check gives you the answer, whatever the product positioning, the formula, or the country. This AI is an omniscient expert. With COSMETIC Factory, you will save a lot of time and free your creativity.